Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1 inch QLED touchscreen spatial phone Honda HRV 2013 to 2022 years. Okay, let me unbox review. This spatial harness and the cables. And the head unit. Let me show harness it first. You can check this spatial harness. And this radio antenna, this camera input, canvas decoder box, and this is Wi-Fi antenna, 4G antenna. This is original USB and GPS. This camera input and 2 USB cable and microphone. AUX input left and right. This video input. And this is subwoofer and audio output left and right, front, rear. Okay. This back of head unit, this 4G and this power fuse, this connector, audio, GPS, this 4G antenna, this is a radio, audio cable. Okay. Let me connect the power cable. Okay, the head unit will be start. Okay, please take out this screw protector because we already built in. Built-in microphone and reset hole. Let me check the settings. Android 12 version. Built-in Play Store and Google Maps. It's Auto-Link, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And DSP amplifier. So Wi-Fi, already built-in Wi-Fi and 4G. Connected Wi-Fi. It's our website. Android 12 and DDR 8GB, storage 128GB, and this factory settings. Please set the break with 0, if not you can't watch video. Click Save. Display SIM style there, total 8 SIM style. Change button color. Okay. Sound this DSP amplifier. These instructions built in the user menu. Okay, the Auto-Link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is Auto-Link application. It's built in the Bluetooth. You can check Bluetooth. Okay. That's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.